Hey everybody, do you know what time it is? If you set time for another Good Tech Cheap episode, you're right! You win a prize! The prize is a Good Tech Cheap video! Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host Kevin. Hey, do me a favor, if you like videos about Good Tech Cheap, there's a subscribe button. Please click on that. Turn on a notification bell that's right by that subscribe button so you know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap. Is there? Oh, so good. Tech. Cheap. Yeah. And with that in mind, please give this video a like. So what are we talking about today? Well, in this crazy radio having, car driving, electricity using world, we need to keep track of our time. It is one of our most precious commodities. And to do that, you can use a watch. A dumb watch? No, a smart watch. In fact, an SKG made smartwatch. This one is the V7. It is a smartwatch that is waterproof, has a heart rate monitor, can tell the weather, your blood oxygen level, your sleeping patterns. A fitness activity tracker is also included. It's compatible with Mac and Android. You got a 1.69 inch TFT LCD screen. That's an extra large screen, and yes, it is a very big screen, as you can see here. It has an 80% screen to watch body ratio. That's a big screen. The screen resolution is 240 by 280. On an LCD screen this size, that is some very decent resolution. Your SKG V7 smartwatch supports lots of different wallpaper options and cloud options. You get 14 sport modes on this watch. It'll keep track of your walking, your running, your steps, your distance, and give you that report. All you have to do is download the app and then Bluetooth connect your watch to your phone and you are good to go. Very strong battery life. Your watch is going to last 4 days, and I have actually tested that out personally. You also notice that I'm wearing it because, yeah, I'm keeping this one. It's a very nice watch. In fact, you're going to get a working time of up to 8 days on this watch on a full battery charge. And the battery charge is cool too because it is magnetically connected, so you know it's going to charge decently well. The charging time is less than 2 hours for that 8-day cycle. And you get a 300 megahertz battery in this watch. Yeah, in this little tiny, so light, it's ridiculous, waterproof watch. 300 megahertz battery, very nice. You get support with iOS 9 and above and Android 6 and above. Oh, and talk about features. There are even more features. Let me see. I'm going to try to remember all of them off the top of my head. There's multiple sport modes. There's sports self-recognition. Of course, you get an alarm that you can set on here too. There's call reminder. There's weather. There's a reminder to get up and walk. It's nice when watches do that. You know, a famous brand that actually has that built in. It's named after a certain fruit. I'm sure you're all familiar. It rhymes with maple. There's a breathing training mode. There's a second chronograph, so you can actually use it as a stopwatch. Let's see. Oh, and you can actually connect to find your phone, which I actually used just the other day. I was a little embarrassed, but hey, it happens to the best of us. And the rest of us. Ho-ho! There's also a hydration reminder. There's a calendar reminder. I mean, there are a lot of different features, and you can set up your profile for your watch on your smartphone and just be completely connected, and you're just good to go. Downloading the app was easy. Bluetooth pairing was easy, and I've had the watch for several days now, and it just works quite well. I've taken it in the water. It really is waterproof. It's very responsive, as you can see. I just flick my wrist and it comes on. And what do all those great features cost? You know, that fruit rhyming thing. Well, yeah, you can pay hundreds and hundreds of dollars even for a used model many years old. We're talking $49.99 right here. Don't believe me? I'll fight you. That's not true. Don't believe me? Click on the link in the description below and you will see for yourself. $49.99, an excellent price for a watch with all the features that this one provides, with the LCD screen having the resolution that it does, with the 8-day battery life on a 2-hour charge. $49.99, check it out. Well, looks like we're out of time. See what I did there? So I would like to thank SKG for sponsoring this video and sending us a watch so we could share it with all of you. Once again, link in the description below. Please check it out. $49.99. That is a great price. Also, if you like this video, can you please give it a like? I like it very much when you give these videos a like. And if you like more videos about good tech cheap, like this watch, click on that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop another video about good tech cheap. Well, from Los Angeles, California, I've been your host, Kevin. Stay safe, be kind, and we'll see you next time.